Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Bhargavi Poojar Commerce Study. Today we will see about the KSET and NET syllabus, that is paper 1, that is general paper, which is common for all the people, all the students, all the participants. So here we can see basically 10 units. We will see one by one. So in that first unit, that is teaching aptitude. Teaching aptitude is a chapter which uses the psychology knowledge. Here we have to study the mindset of the students. Next unit number 2 is research aptitude. Here we have to study about the PhD basics and research things we have to study in this unit. Next, third unit is comprehension. So here we need to work out on our passage studying. Some of the passages are given, real incidents or any stories might be given, and we have to answer from those passages. Okay. Next, unit number 4, that is communication. So here we have to know how the communication skills have to be taken, and who have propounded the communication theories. Everything we have to study in this unit. Next unit is unit 5, that is mathematical reasoning and aptitude. In this unit, what are the topics we have to cover is, that is reasoning and number series, then classification, coding and decoding, and blood relationships, then direction sense, then arrangements, then mathematical aptitude. So these all things we have to cover in the unit 5. Next comes Indian logic, that is unit 6. So here logical reasoning. Okay, logical reasoning. So here first we have to study about the arguments and its forms. Next, analogy. Next, Indian logic, source of knowledge. This is the new topic which is added recently. Then Venn diagram. Venn diagram means circles. We have to draw circles to know the validity, all those things. Next, syllogisms. Syllogisms also depends on Venn diagram. Next, assertion and reason, very important. Next, statements and arguments. Next, statements and conclusion, statements and assumptions, statement and course of action. So all these comes under logical reasoning, unit 6. Okay. Next, the unit is unit number 7, that is DI. DI means data interpretation. Here what are the things we have to know about that? Data, we might be given a tabular system or bar graph or histogram or line chart or pie charts. Okay, from any of the chart we have to answer by calculating the figures. Okay. Next, unit number 8, that is information and communication technology. This is completely related to our computer knowledge. Next, unit number 9, that is people development and environment. So here also we have to study a lot about our environment, our earth condition, and what are the pollution system. Everything we have to study in this unit. Next, last unit is, that is higher education. Here we have to study about our ancient India as well as modern India. What are the education system we have adopted. Everything we have to study in this unit. So in short, all the 10 units comes under your paper 1, which is general paper and applicable to all the participants or all the students. So this is our paper 1 syllabus. So we will try to solve one by one unit. First we will go with the first unit, that is teaching aptitude. So make sure that the syllabus is very clear to you guys. Okay. So this is all today's in KSET and NET classes. Thank you all.